Oh, Ryan, you look so sleepy today. Are you okay?
Oh, hi, Mia. I am very tired. I did not sleep well last night.
Why? What happened? Did you drink too much coffee before bed?
No, it is the opposite. I did not drink any coffee yesterday afternoon.
Ah, so you had no coffee. That is why you are sleepy.
Yes, exactly. My brain is not working. I really need a hot coffee right now.
You are a coffee monster, Ryan, but that is perfect
Why is it perfect? I am too sleepy to do anything.
because our topic today is ordering coffee and food at a cafe.
That is the best news today. I want to order a cup of coffee right now.
We are going to make ordering at a cafe very easy for everyone.
That is great. We have 6 useful phrases that people can use.
Yes, ordering at a cafe can be scary when you are learning a new language.
Yes, it is. You stand in line and your mind goes blank.
Exactly, you forget the words. So today, we will teach you what to say.
We will teach how to ask for a drink with our hero phrase.
And what is our hero phrase today, Ryan?
My brain is still sleeping. Was it to go?
No, Ryan. Our hero phrase is, can I get?
Ah, yes. Our hero phrase is can I get? You can use it for everything.
Yes, you can use it to ask for food or drinks. It is very natural.
We will also teach to go and for here to say where you drink.
And we will teach make that too when you order with a friend.
We will also cover room for milk and how to pay with keep the change.
Excellent. And we also have an interesting fact about coffee in the United States.
I love facts. Is it a surprise fact?
Yes, it is. It is about getting more coffee for free.
Free coffee? That is amazing. Let's start.
So, Ryan, you said you have a story about our hero phrase, can I get?
Yes, I do. It happened yesterday morning at the cafe near my house.
Tell me, you were sleepy, right?
I was very sleepy. I walked into the cafe. The name of the cafe is The Sweet Cup.
That is a nice name. Was it busy?
Yes, it was very busy. There was a long line of people waiting.
Ugh, that is hard when you are tired.
Yes, I waited for 10 minutes. The smell of coffee beans was wonderful.
I love that smell. It makes me feel awake.
Me too. Finally, I walked to the counter. I saw a worker.
Who was at the counter?
A young worker. She looked very friendly. I smiled at her.
And what did you say to her?
I said, "Hi, can I get a large hot coffee, please?"
That is a perfect way to start. It is polite and very natural.
Yes. The worker smiled and said, "What kind of roast do you want?"
Oh, that is a common question in the US. What did you say?
My brain was sleepy, but I remember that dark roast is strong.
Yes, it is. It has a strong, bold flavor.
So I said, "Can I get the dark roast, please?"
Perfect. You used the hero phrase again.
Yes. The worker said, "Sure. Do you want any food with that?"
And what did you say?
I looked at the food case. I saw some delicious cakes and cookies.
Oh, cakes for breakfast.
Yes, I said, "Yes, can I get a chocolate muffin, please?"
A chocolate muffin. That is a very good breakfast.
It is. So I used can I get 3 times in 1 minute.
It is so fast. Did the worker understand you easily?
Yes, she did. She gave me my hot coffee and the muffin right away.
That is great. Simple phrases are best for clear communication.
They really are. It makes ordering very stress-free.
You said, can I get a coffee? Can I get the dark roast? And can I get a muffin?
Yes, it is very simple. I did not have to think.
That is why it is our hero phrase. It is easy.
You can use can I get for drinks, food, or a glass of water.
Yes, you just say, can I get, and then the thing you want.
Exactly. Can I get a tea? Can I get a sandwich?
It works for everything. Now, what about the free coffee fact in the US?
Ah, yes. In the United States, many diners and cafes have a special rule.
A special rule? What is it?
It is called a free refill.
A free refill? What does that mean?
It means you pay for 1 cup of hot black coffee,
Yes, and then?
and then you can get more coffee in your cup for free.
Wow, you do not have to pay for the second cup?
No, you can drink 2 or 3 cups of coffee.
That is amazing. The worker just gives you more coffee?
Yes, they come to your table and pour more coffee.
Do they do this for sweet coffee or lattes?
No, usually it is only for regular hot black coffee.
Ah, drip coffee. That makes sense.
Yes, it is very common in American diners.
In my country, you must pay for every cup of coffee.
Me too. In most countries, you pay for every cup.
So if you drink 3 cups, you pay 3 times.
Exactly. So I was very surprised when I went to the United States.
What happened?
I drank 3 cups of coffee. I went to pay.
Did you have to pay for 3 cups?
No, I only paid for 1 cup. I was so happy.
That is a very good deal. But be careful.
Why?
3 cups of coffee is too much. You will not sleep.
You are right. That is why I was awake all night.
Now I understand. The free refill is dangerous for you.
Yes, it is. But it is a very interesting cultural fact.
I think it is very generous. In Europe, coffee is a slow experience.
Yes, in Europe, you sit and talk for hours.
Exactly. And you pay for each cup. You do not rush.
In the US, people like to drink coffee while they work.
So they need more cups to keep working.
Yes, so the free refill is very helpful for them.
That is a good point. Let's learn our other phrases now.
Yes, let's learn the other 5 cafe phrases.
Let's start with to go and for here.
These are very important. The worker will ask you, is it for here or to go?
Yes, if you want to drink your coffee in the cafe, you say for here.
And if you want to take it away with you, you say to go.
Exactly. For here means you stay. To go means you leave.
I always say to go because I am always in a hurry.
Really? I like to sit at a table and read a book.
So you always say for here.
Yes, I do. I like the nice music in the cafe.
I guess we have 2 different teams here.
Yes, we have Team Ryan and Team Mia.
Are you Team Ryan or Team Mia?
Ryan always gets his coffee to go, but Mia likes to stay in the cafe and drink it for here.
Let's see what our listeners like. Team Ryan is the fast team.
And Team Mia is the relaxed team.
Yes. Now let's look at the next phrase. It is make that too.
Make that too is a great phrase when you order with a friend.
How do you use it?
How do you use it? Imagine you are at the counter. Your friend orders a hot tea.
Okay, and I want a hot tea too.
You can just tell the worker, make that too, please.
Oh, that is very fast. I do not need to say the whole order.
Exactly. You just say, make that too. The worker knows you want 2 teas.
That is very useful. It saves a lot of time.
Let's give another example. Imagine you order a slice of apple pie.
Okay, and you love apple pie too.
Yes, so I can say, make that too, please.
That is so simple. I do not need to say, I want apple pie too.
Exactly. You just say, make that too. It is very native.
Now, our next phrase is room for milk.
Yes, the worker might ask you, do you want room for milk?
This means they will leave some empty space at the top of the cup.
Yes, so you can add your own milk or cream.
If you do not want milk, you say, no room, thank you.
Yes, then they will fill the cup to the top.
I always need room for milk. I like my coffee very milky.
Me too. Black coffee is too strong for me.
What happens if you do not leave room for milk?
If you add milk, the coffee will spill.
Yes, it will make a big mess. It will spill on your clothes.
That is right. So you need room for milk.
And our last phrase is keep the change.
This is for when you pay with cash.
Yes, imagine your coffee is $4.50.
Okay.
You give the worker a $5 bill.
Yes, and they want to give you 50 cents back.
You can say, keep the change.
This means they can keep the 50 cents. It is a tip.
Yes, it is a nice way to say thank you to the worker.
Keep the change. It is a very friendly thing to say.
It really is. The workers always smile when you say it.
Yes. Do you say keep the change for a large amount of money?
No, you do not. If the change is $10, do not say it.
Yes, that would be too much.
Yes, only say it for small change.
Now, I have an interesting oh moment for you, Ryan.
I love oh moments. Tell me.
I read that about 64% of Americans drink coffee every day.
Wow, 64%. That is more than half of the people in the country.
Yes, it is. Coffee is very popular there.
I read that many people cannot start their day without coffee.
I can understand that. Sometimes I feel very slow before my coffee.
Yes, me too. I am like a zombie in the morning.
Haha, you are a cute zombie, Ryan.
Thank you, Mia. Now I feel a little better.
All right, Ryan. Let's see if you can use these phrases.
Oh, is it test time? I am ready.
I will give you some situations in a cafe.
Okay, and I must answer using our phrases.
Yes, remember to use I would say or I would do.
Got it. I will use I would say or I would do. Let's do it.
Situation 1. You walk into a coffee shop. You want an iced tea.
I would walk to the counter, smile, and say, "Hi, can I get an iced tea, please?"
Perfect. That was our hero phrase. What if they ask for the size?
I would say, "A medium size, please."
Great. Situation 2.
Okay, what is it?
The cashier asks, is this for here or to go? You must go to a meeting in 5 minutes.
I have no time to sit, so I would say to go, please.
Very good. You can grab your cup and run.
Yes, I would walk out the door very fast.
Situation 3.
Bring it on.
You have a free afternoon. You want to sit at a table and eat a cake. The cashier asks where you want to eat it.
I want to relax, so I would say for here, please.
Excellent. You can sit on a comfortable chair and enjoy your cake.
Yes, that is my favorite way to spend a Friday.
Situation 4.
I am doing great. What is next?
You are with a friend. Your friend orders a chocolate cookie. It looks delicious.
I want one too. So I would look at the worker and say, make that two, please.
Perfect. You get 2 cookies. Sharing food is very nice.
Yes, I would say that I am a very good friend.
Or you just really love cookies.
That is also true. Muffin and cookie are both great.
Situation 5.
Okay.
You order a hot black coffee. You want to add some milk yourself.
I need space in my cup, so I would say, please leave room for milk.
Great. The worker will leave some space. Then you can add your milk.
Yes, I like to control the color of my coffee.
Situation 6. The last one.
Okay, I am ready.
The coffee is $3.80. You pay with a $5 bill.
The worker was very nice, so I would say, thank you. You can keep the change.
You did it! 6 out of 6. You are a cafe master, Ryan.
Yes, I would say that practicing these situations is very helpful.
It is. It makes you feel confident when you go to a real cafe.
Yes, it is much easier when you know what to say.
You did very well today, Ryan, and we want our listeners to do well too.
Yes, we have a small homework task for everyone.
It is a speaking challenge. It is very simple.
What is it, Mia?
Tomorrow, when you buy a coffee or a drink, use our hero phrase.
Yes, just say, "Can I get?" and then your drink.
Even if you are not in an English-speaking country, you can practice.
How?
Look in the mirror at home, hold a cup,
Yes.
and say, "Can I get a coffee, please?" out loud.
Oh, that is a very good idea. Say it 3 times.
Yes, say, "Can I get a coffee?" 3 times to your mirror.
It will make you feel confident. It really helps.
If you want, you can also write it down in a notebook.
Oh, yes. Writing it down is very good for memory, too.
Yes, practice speaking and writing every day.
That is a great tip. We believe in you.
Yes, every small step is important. Even 5 minutes of practice makes a difference.
I agree. You can do it. We are very proud of you.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
I had so much fun today. I am going to get a coffee now.
Me too. I want a warm tea.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing.
Yes, thank you. We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.